Hi. Hi. Hello. Hola. ¿Cómo están? How's everything? Good? Cool? Yeah? My name is Michelle. I'm a Puerto Rican living in Puerto Rico and always have been living in Puerto Rico. Why? I keep saying it. Why does it look blue though? Oh. Anyways, why do I say I identify myself very rapidly as Puerto Rican? There's just one thing. Would love to uplift or help uplift a Puerto Rican entrepreneur or small business. We have so many talented, amazing people on this island making their own stuff, living directly from our land that deserve their accolades. So, as a content creator, even though this we're playing games right now, I will always have a little bit of advocacy for my fellow Puerto Ricans. There's one video up right now, so watch that after this one. Not now. After. Okay, got it? Cool. I bought this thing from Team. And this too. I feel like a princess. An ugly ass princess, but a princess. Oh. This game. This game is cold. Alright, so everybody knows that Mickey Mouse is now specifically the Steamboat Mickey is public domain. They can use it. Just like Winnie the Pooh and Netflix. It's not my fault. But it is a Steamboat Willie Super Willie World is a fun black and white platform game that transports players back to the charms and the whimsy of the 1930s animation era. Okay. In this journey, each wait what? In this journey, players assume the role of the iconic Steamboat Willie, or Mickey, as he sets out on a quest to reach his beloved steamboat. Interesting. Each level is designed to evoke the nostalgia of classic cartoons, featuring a series of sorry, obstacles, traps, and peculiar enemies in the animated world. As Willie maneuvers through the various levels, players must master the art of timing, precision, Mario, basically, right? Sonic. Oh, when was this? 60 days ago. I think it's a work in prog. Is it a work? I'm not sure. Hmm? Yes, for your okay. What? No way. Look, Gary. Look. Okay, so I literally said Mario. My bad. about this steamboat. Is this your front? It's annoying. Dun, dun, dun. Dale, 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 dale. Dale, dale, no, dale. Porque son dale, dale. Do I not have checkpoints? I'll finish my last life. You can do it, Mickey. You can do it. You shall also become Mario. Within the brother. Or a ragtag of like, oh, you do that. Yeah, man. Wow, right. Yeah, Goofy, Daisy, Donald, Goofy's son, the Minnie's nephews. He is a cat. And interestingly enough, yes, be your own Super Mario. Own it, believe it, it is you. You are the chosen. You're the chosen one. Hey. You're the chosen one. Interesting. One more? Let's go one more. We can get the hang of it. Let's indict making it into the world. Why not? Yeah, I don't really know. Yeah. Parkour. Parkour. Oh, I was Alright. I like this. I like it. It's nice. It's cute. Animation's very, very nice. I'm totally into it. And it has a couple of levels that I will be... I mean, if you like this video, we could, just do a video like this. Like, oh, level 1, oh, level 2. I don't know. It depends on how many like this gets. Can't say 100 because that will never happen. And no, not that. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm not entertaining at all. So yeah, this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. If you can leave, a little comment down below. Doesn't matter, just leave a little something. But with all that being said, thank you all for watching. Have a nice night, day, or whenever you are looking at this. Bye. Adios. Adios.